Construction of a triangle when two angles and the included side are given. Question is, construct a triangle ABC such that AB equal to 6 centimeter, angle A equal to 45 degree and angle B equal to 60 degree. Here two angles and included side are given. Angle, side, angle A, S, A. First draw a rough figure. Triangle ABC. Angle A 45 degree, B 60 degree. Then AB included side, that is 6 centimeter. Draw a line segment. AB equal to 6 centimeter. Mark here A, here B, then write here 6 centimeter. Next here B equal to 60 degree. Then with B as center, draw an arc of any radius then with this point as center, with the same radius, draw another arc to cut the first arc. Where these two arcs are intersecting, through that point, draw a line like this. This angle is 60 degree angle. Here 45 degree. Angle A is 45 degree. First draw an angle of 90 degree and bisect it. 45 degree is half of 90 degree. With A as center, draw an arc of any radius . With this point as center, with the same radius, draw an arc. Again, this point as center, with the same radius, draw one more arc. Now, stretch it a little. With this point as center, draw an arc of any radius. Next, with this point as center, draw an arc of same radius. Where these two arcs are intersecting, through that point, draw a dotted line. Because this is a 90 degree angle, we want to draw an angle of 45 degree. Then bisect this 90 degree to get an angle of 45 degree. Where this line and this arc are intersecting, with this point as center, draw an arc like this. Then where this line and this arc are intersecting, with this point as center, draw another arc of same radius. These two arcs are intersecting at this point. Through this point, draw a line like this. Then look here where these two lines are intersecting, that is point C. Here angle A equal to 45 degree, angle B equal to 60 degree, two angles and included side, that is AB equal to 6 centimeter. The triangle ABC is the required triangle.